Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30257, and this is the Thai Advanced Prototype. So, if y'all happen to enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've been doing one of these a day for a while, so if you want to get caught up, there's about 130 more of these already up on YouTube, and there'll be a playlist at the end of the video if you're interested in checking it out. Also, if you have any interest in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon, as well as on Bricklink. There's a lot of gray in this set. That's why I haven't really ever had the desire to put together that Super Star Destroyer, because I feel like it's the equivalent, the Lego equivalent of that all gray jigsaw puzzle, or all the same color jigsaw puzzle. Just not really my deal. Anyway. Also, there's also a link to Brickset if you just want general information about the set itself. This is kind of a weird one so far. Alright. So, yeah, this is an odd one. So far, of the TIE Fighters that I've put together, this is by far the strangest one. Alright, so that goes on there. So we got these on each side. Like so. And two on the other side. Also like so. Yeah, they're facing the right way. Alright. We got that. And then a bunch of these little pieces here. I just realized something. There's going to be like a top and a bottom of this, I bet. That's kind of interesting. I suspect we're going to do the exact same thing we're currently doing, only in the opposite direction in the very near future. Alright, so those... And then these are headed this way, like so, and like so. And that gets us there. And then this piece goes right here, and this in the front. Like so. So I guess it's that. And now, did I miss something? Did I miss like a ×2 somewhere? Did I start on the wrong side of the page? Alright, so, well, okay. Sometimes things happen, and you start a little out of order, which is okay. I suspect that the things I just did, all I'm going to do is I'm going to do them again, but I'm going to do the other side. You know how I was talking about, like, I felt like I was going to be doing this again from the other side? Well, apparently I was actually right. Alright. So the upside is I know how these things go. Pop that on. Pop that on. At least the second time's kind of quick, right? Alright. We got that. We got that. And that. And then these are going to go on like so. And like so. And here. And here. Alright. That takes care of that part. And now we're putting the thruster on. So the thruster, the red one goes in here, and this attaches to here, like so, and this goes on top, like that, and it clips right there. Alright, so aside from doing things slightly out of order, so that gets us to here, which then gets us to here. And so for this one, what we do, so you have this on the bottom, you have this on the top. Okay, that's kind of cool. Alright. And then we drop a pin through it, apparently. Alright, so this is on the top, and through the bottom, like so. Like that. Wow. Alright. I gotta give Lego credit. This one is kind of cool. It's one of those things like it fits together snug. It's solid. Alright, so the next thing we gotta do is we gotta make 4 of these little wing pieces. And so the 4 wing pieces, which seem pretty straightforward, like so, right? Yep, they're all like that. So they'll be like this. Okay, yeah, that's right. And actually, we're only gonna have 1 piece extra, this little red thing. All right. Let me keep an eye on this and make sure I don't do these backwards or something like I might have done. Or like, you know, do things out of order, that kind of thing. Alright, so I gotta tell you, like this sort of suddenness with which this thing comes together, that's really awesome. I like that. I like this one so far. I like it a lot. And I kind of also like the moving pieces that we're about to have. I don't know. I feel like there's a lot going on with this one. And so we clip these in like this. So there, and there, and there, and there. So what we have is these fold in and can fold around. So that's the back, and that's the front. I like that. That looks really good. And it kind of came together just sort of almost out of nowhere. You know, when you pop the 2 pieces together. I like it. There's like a little issue I see with the holding togetherness of it. Like you can see like right there, it's sort of not fitting exactly right. But I don't know. I'm very happy with this one. Anyway, let me know what you think. Cool looking little TIE fighter. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.